Okay, so today I've got this neat old coffee grinder. It says Crystal on it, and it says, get a little closer, it says Arcade Crystal. I suppose Arcade is the brand. I don't know. I'm going to do a little research on this. This is a really neat old piece. The fact that it's still got the original jar with lid. So this clamps together and holds this in where you'd put all your beans. And then this little jar on the bottom. This is kind of stiff and dirty. But obviously this would mount on the wall. And then when you pull this guy down, you could pull out your jar and it would have your ground coffee in it. Even got some really nasty old coffee or dirt or something in it. So anyway, my buddy passed this on to me. Really neat old piece. I'm just going to clean it up real good. I'm going to shoot a coat of green paint on it. I'll probably repaint the lid. And I'm going to probably mount it in my kitchen. And whether or not we ever grind any coffee with it, I don't know. But boy, that should be a neat piece. So, anyway, that's what we got, and we'll just do a quick little cleanup on it. So you can see that got everything looking pretty nice. That just cleans it up like new. That's that back piece. And there's our handle. I'm just going to clean and oil this handle, I think. I don't want to do anything to hurt it. Even that little nut. So, anyways, I think I'm going to go ahead and paint this. I think I'm just going to paint it black. I'll shoot a coat of primer on it, and then we'll get it painted up, and then it's just a matter of reassembling. And I think on this jar, it goes on top, I'm going to clean this up. It had some kind of nickel plating on it. I think I'm just going to clean that up and probably paint that cap. And then there was some sort of a gasket originally where this held this. Just to provide some cushion right there. So I thought maybe I'd take some of that plasti dip and dip it in there. But we could go another way. I have some black mastic that is just like a linerless rubber tape. That might be good too. But anyway, that's what we're going to do. So on this glass jar, it's got to have some kind of a gasket that seal it up and keep it from rattling around. So I used some of this 3M. It's just like a foam mounting tape. And I put that around there till it was pretty firm. And this is a little piece of bicycle inner tube that I washed real good. It's black, so it looks a little better, and it seals up that foam tape, and it went on there real nice, and it made that fit really firmly inside the casting. After that, we're ready just for some final reassembly. We'll bolt everything all together. Okay, so here it is in its finished state. It turned out really good. We've been using it. Takes a little bit of effort to crank it, not too bad. The smell of the fresh ground coffee is awesome. It's great in the mornings. So it makes a really nice grounds. It works awesome. I'm really pleased. I thought maybe it'd just be for looks, but it turned out to be pretty functional. Probably it's been used a lot. Still has a lot of life left in it. So, good little project and useful too. So, thanks for watching.